Hi, welcome to PW Holdings, authorized partner for Sage Business Cloud Accounting with Sage Asia.
Tax settings. From tax setting, you can create tax rates. Go to Company, change Company settings, Tax settings. If your company does not register for VAT, select No tax. If you are VAT registered company, select Invoice-based GST. Enter VAT registered number. Enter last tax period end date. Enter tax submission date. Enter tax period frequency. If you are paid VAT monthly, enter 1. If you are paid VAT quarterly, enter 3. You can add tax rates by clicking green plus button. Enter tax name. Enter tax code. You can set mostly used tax rate as default. By clicking red minus button, you can remove tax rates. Click Save button for save tax rates. Save. After creating tax rates, you can link to the customer, supplier, items, and GL accounts. Link tax rates to customer. Go to Customers, List of customers, open the customer. Enter customer tax number. Select customer tax rate. Link tax rates to supplier. Go to Suppliers, List of suppliers. Open the supplier. Enter supplier tax number. Select supplier tax rate. Save. Link tax rates to items. Go to Items, List of items. Open the item. Select tax rate for sales. Select tax rate for purchases. Save. Note: if you have not set a tax rate for customer, when you are invoicing, item tax rate will apply for the invoice. If you have not set a tax rate for supplier, when you are entering supplier invoice item, purchase tax rate will apply for the invoice. Link tax rates to GL accounts. Go to Accounts, List of accounts. Open account. Select the tax rate. Save. Tax reports. Reports, tax, view report. You can view output, input tax report in detailed and summary report, and tax payable or refundable. This report you can export to PDF, Excel or CSV. Also print or email. After tax report submission, you can close the tax period. Note: after close the tax period, you cannot edit the tax invoices. If you want to edit the close period tax invoices, first open the tax period, then edit the tax invoice. Tax payment. You can enter tax payment from bank transactions. Go to Banking, Transactions, Banking. Select the bank account. Enter date, payee and description. Select type from tax. Select tax period. Enter reference and payment amount. Save.
For more details, please log into www.pwholdings.com. pwholdings.lk. Thank you.